Hello, it's me back again going over task 23 from the database booklet. So, very quickly, we have got this little scenario, radio station playlists and songs. Now, I suspect in my eagerness to chop out part C, because that was a relevant part, I don't know if I've missed some important information in A and B. But anyway, we've got an example here, and we have to write the SQL to create the playlist table. And we don't have a data dictionary, so we're having to make any assumptions ourselves. So over here we've got the marking scheme. There are a couple of things to mention about this. So create table playlist. So program ID int not null. Song ID. So they've got text here. This is a few years ago. Now text is not acceptable. It has to be varchar, and they've put it as 6 based on the tiny piece of information they've got here. Date played as date. Time played as time. Now, what else is worth mentioning is this primary key. So we've been setting primary keys just by writing primary key after the name of the field. It can also be set in this way. I think I mentioned there are other ways of doing it, and this is actually the way to do it if we've got a compound key. Now, I'll be honest here. I looked at this and I was lazy, and I just thought, program ID, that's the primary key. According to this, it isn't, and this is what makes me feel like I've missed some important piece of information. But anyway, they're saying date played and time played. Honestly, I'm not joking. I can't quite get my head around this. Why date played and time played would be the primary key. What's the difference between a program and a playlist? I don't know. One song is on many playlists. I feel like there's another table missing. Anyway, we list it after all the fields. We say here's the primary key, and in brackets we list any fields that are part of the primary key. So they've gone for date played and time played. They've said that an alternative is possible: program ID, song ID, and date played. I mean, then you're pretty much using every single field in there. It seems crazy. Why wouldn't we just stick a surrogate key in? I don't know. A playlist ID. Why wouldn't we just do that? Anyway, so I'm being absolutely honest with you here. I cannot quite work out why date played, time played, or program ID song has to be the primary key. Foreign key, yeah, there's a foreign key here, so the same as usual. Now I've just typed this up slightly differently, so there we go. That's how we would do it. So that's the difference. Varchar there. That is the only difference. Why did I bother typing that up? Anyway, there you go. See ya.